Howdy folks, it is time for another Let Me Fix That For You. So today we've got a submission from another YouTuber. His name is Angry Aussie. Now, I don't know what he's angry about. He doesn't seem angry. Seems like a jovial fellow. I'll leave a link down to his channel down below, and you can check it out if you want. He sent in a drink that he calls the MTV, that I guess he created because it was MTV's birthday or something. I feel like he's always looking for a theme, always stretching the theme a little. Anyway, now this drink is called MTV. It stands for Maraschino Tequila Falernum. There's also lime juice in it. It's not a perfect theme, okay? Anyway, it sounds pretty good on paper. Here's the recipe. Let's check it out.
Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Tiny kangaroo down.
All right. I'm just kidding.
Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Tiny kangaroo down. Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Tiny kangaroo down.
All right, so let's give it a try now. On paper, I feel like this is going to be a little too sweet and not quite enough lime. Yeah, this is sort of dominated by the Falernum and the Maraschino. I feel like even those 2 ounces of tequila in there, I'm not getting so much tequila. And it's a little flat. I like the concept. I'm not really getting a lot of tequila, which is a bit strange because there's 2 ounces of tequila in there. Now, to be fair, he's using Velvet Falernum, and I'm using homemade Falernum, and I don't know how that affects things. Also, apparently, he's got some kind of Croatian Maraschino. Never heard of that. I'm using normal Luxardo Maraschino. But I think what I'd like to do is tweak this into more of a standard sour proportion. I think I'll do 1.5 ounces of tequila, Repasado Tequila we're using, which is fun actually because I just bought Repasado Tequila for the last one of these I did, and it also had Falernum in it. So, you know, a bit of a parallel here. And lime juice. I mean, these two cocktails aren't that different. The double R, check it out. So I think what I'm going to do is cut it down to sort of more standard sour proportions. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of tequila, 3/4 lime, 1/2 ounce of Falernum, and just 1/4 ounce of Maraschino. I think that'll be more balanced and be more of a journey, and the Maraschino won't take over quite so much. Now let's try that.
Watch me wallabies feed, mate. Watch me wallabies feed. They're a dangerous breed, mate, so watch me wallabies feed.
Let's see how this goes. Yeah, it's tartar from the tart-sweet balance is better. I still don't get a ton of tequila flavor. It's so interesting. It's possible this tequila isn't all that punchy. The Falernum and Maraschino bits are a bit more toned down, a bit more balanced with the lime. I think that's what I would do. I might use a more flavorful tequila next time. I might use a Blanco Tequila, or maybe put some Mezcal in it just to sort of jazz up the base spirit. I feel like the base spirit's having a little trouble keeping up with all these other very flavorful ingredients. Anyway, it's a good concept. I think it might need some more tweaking still. Well, maybe I'll just go ahead and make a third one.
Keep me cockatoo cool, curl. Keep me cockatoo cool. Oh, don't go acting the fool, curl. Just keep me cockatoo cool.
Okay, so sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get a drink the way you want it. This one has a lot more tequila flavor on the nose. Mixing with Repasado, really it mellows out a lot of those flavors that you get from a silver tequila. So they're a lot more subtle, you know, and I feel like that goes a lot better in a stir drink than a shaken drink. Oh boy. So this I like a lot better. We've gone back up to 2 ounces of booze. We've got 1.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila and 1/2 ounce of Mezcal. But it hits you in different points in the palate now. It's still tart from the lime, but it's still sweet enough from the other ingredients, but they come at different times. The tequila comes up front. Let me try this again. Yeah, you get tequila up front and like a lingering Falernum and Maraschino that happen later. Yeah, this is a lot more dynamic, a lot more, you know, flowing from one flavor to the next. So, all right, it took 2 tries, but we did it. We fixed that drink. If you've got a drink you'd like me to try and fix, put it down in the comments, and you know, I might make fun of you a little bit, but it's just all in good fun. If I have the ingredients, or I can make the ingredients, maybe I'll give it a shot here and see if I can improve it. Sometimes I can, and sometimes I can't. But I think this is pretty good. Tequila and Mezcal are a great thing to split up. Lime is a no-brainer. Maraschino is always delicious, and Falernum is a great combo with all those, so cheers.